Hey guys, today's photo is a rock pigeon. I took this photo in New York City. This photo especially shows that they should not be underrated. They're all really cool. If you really think deep, they're really cool. Like on their necks, they have purple and green shine. Not just that, just everything. All birds are really cool, and I think people should respect pigeons more. Anyway, this photo I edited dark and cold, and it just made it look really cool, and it's super sharp. Here it is, and I hope you like it. They're actually not native to New York. They were brought to North America from Europe in the 1600s, and now they're everywhere. There's like millions in New York City. Also, they mate for life, and they don't always migrate. As I was talking, there's a great horned owl over there. We heard it, but I haven't seen it. I gotta go get that owl.